Hey guys, welcome back to Manicro Custom Guitars. And today I want to try a new series which I want to call Pro Tips from the Amateur. As the name implies, this series will be all about me sharing my tips which I learned along my career. So guys, let's roll the intro and we can start with tip number 1. So if you're like me and you have some stock to surface and to thickness, but you don't own a drum sander or a big thickness planer, a fancy jig with a router, but you have a CNC, surfacing and thicknessing raw material on a CNC is very easy, to be honest. But the trick about it is literally work holding. Now, work holding for a piece like this blank on a CNC for a surface cut, it can get a bit tricky. There are several methods that you can go with it. For example, you can put double-sided tape on the blank and stick it to the table. But it depends on the strength of the tape, because sometimes I found that is very tedious to remove residue of the tape from the blank and from the CNC table. Another good option to do is, for example, to counterbore a hole to put either pins or screws. In this case, in this blank, I use pins to align on the CNC table, and for those pins I counterbored with a Forstner bit about 1 centimeter. So the pins will go deeper than the top surface of the blank. This is a good method to fix this blank to a CNC bed, but it adds up more steps, and in a production line, more steps equals more time. So one fast and you can say quite dirty trick that I found and that I use So a good trick to mount stock like this for a surface cut on a CNC bed is to use pieces of scrap wood. These will be screwed to each side of the blank, and the screws will be driven to the bed in an angle so that the opposite pieces of wood will push against the opposite sides and really holding the piece of wood in place. And obviously you do 2 to the side and 1 at the back and 1 at the front. In this case, the blank will be held down from all sides. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you liked it, enjoyed it, and learned something from it. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section down below. I will do my best to answer them in the next video. If you're new to my channel and you're enjoying what you see, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be aware about my future releases. And to the new subscribers and to the old one, take care and goodbye.